Stop right there. Are you making these cooking mistakes that secretly ruin your food? You might think you're doing everything right, but some of these could be turning your delicious meal into a disaster without you even knowing. Number 4 is a total game changer, and most people have no idea. Stick with me until the end, because these tips could completely transform your cooking. Cooking isn't just about following a recipe, it's about the small details that make a big difference. Today we're breaking down 10 common cooking mistakes that ruin your food and how to fix them. If you're ready to level up your cooking and impress your taste buds, let's dive right in. 1. Overcrowding the pan. Imagine you're trying to fry crispy potatoes, but instead you end up with soft, soggy ones. Why? When you put too much food in the pan, it traps steam instead of letting the food brown. Quick fix. Give your food space. Cook in smaller batches. Yes, it takes a bit more time, but the crispy texture is worth it. 2. Not preheating the pan or oven. Starting with a cold pan is like jumping into a pool before the water is ready. The shock ruins the process. Cold pans make food stick and cook unevenly. Quick fix. Always let your pan or oven heat up fully before you start cooking. It saves you time in the long run and makes cooking easier. 3. Forgetting to season layers. Ever wondered why restaurant food tastes so much better? It's because chefs season throughout the process, not just at the end. Quick fix. Add a little salt, pepper, or seasoning with each layer, from sautéing onions to simmering sauces. You build flavor step by step. 4. Using the wrong oil. This is the one most people get wrong. Using the wrong oil at the wrong temperature can completely destroy the flavor of your food, and it might even release harmful smoke. For example, olive oil is great for salads but burns fast when frying. Quick fix. Use avocado oil, coconut oil, or grapeseed oil for high heat. Save olive oil for low-heat cooking or cold dishes. This simple switch can instantly make your food taste cleaner and fresher. 5. Rushing the cooking process. We're all in a hurry, but cooking isn't about speed. It's about patience. High heat isn't always the answer. Rushing can burn the outside while the inside stays raw. Quick fix. Take your time. Let sauces simmer. Let meat sear properly. And let flavors develop naturally. Good food can't be rushed. 6. Cutting meat too soon. You just cooked the perfect steak and you can't wait to cut it. But wait. Cutting meat too soon lets all the juices run out, leaving you with dry, tough meat. Quick fix. Rest your meat for at least 5-10 minutes after cooking. This locks in the juices and keeps your meat tender. 7. Overcooking pasta. Overcooked pasta turns into a mushy, gluey mess. Quick fix. Always cook pasta al dente, firm to the bite. And don't forget, pasta water should taste like the sea. Salt it well. Bonus tip. Save some pasta water to mix into your sauce. It helps the sauce stick better. 8. Not tasting as you cook. Cooking without tasting is like driving with your eyes closed. If you wait until the end to taste, you can't fix the flavor. Quick fix. Taste as you go. Adjust the seasoning little by little to keep your dish balanced and delicious. 9. Skipping acidity. Have you ever made a dish that just felt like it was missing something? Often it's acid. Without acidity, your food can taste flat or heavy. Quick fix. Add a splash of lemon juice, a dash of vinegar, or even a squeeze of lime just before serving. It brightens the whole dish and brings flavors to life. 10. Ignoring food temperature. Hot food should be served hot, and cold food should stay cold. Eating food at the wrong temperature can make even a perfect dish taste weird. Quick fix. Warm your plates before serving hot food. Chill your bowls for cold dishes like salads or desserts. This simple trick can elevate your whole meal. So there you have it. 10 common cooking mistakes that could be ruining your meals. Now you know how to avoid them and cook like a pro. Which one surprised you the most? Number 4 blew my mind when I first learned about it. Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you want more simple and powerful cooking tips like these, hit that subscribe button like you're sprinkling cheese on pizza. Don't hold back.